Hello, good evening. Welcome to our class, and this is Teacher Saeed. How are you today? So, welcome to our class again. So, now today's lesson is CH ch, ch, ch. So, we are going to learn different vocabularies such as ch, e, air, air, chair, chair. Cha i k e n chicken. Cha i k e n chicken. Chicken. Cha 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 e n cha 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 e n chin. Chin. Cha i n chin. Chin. Cha e s chess. Cha 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 chess, 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 chess. Cha 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 cherry, cherry, cherry. Ba a ch bunch, ba a ch bunch, bunch, bunch. Pa e ch pinch, pinch. Pa e ch pinch, pinch. Question. What is it? It's a chair. What is it? It's a chair. What is it? It's a chicken. What is it? It's a chicken. What is it? It's a cherry. It's a cherry. What is it? It's a cherry. Let's read. At, chat, chat, at, chat. Ch, o, p, chop, chop, o, p, chop, chop. Pa, e, ch, pinch. Pa, e, ch, pinch. La, ch, lunch. La, lunch, lunch. Cha, ch, church. Cha, ch, church, church. Cha, chand. Cha, chand. Let's read. Sentence. Chad is a chimp. Chad is a chimp. Chari is a charming chimp. Chari is a charming chimp. That's all for today. Goodbye and see you again.